is up, YouTube? It's me, Max, bringing out another video on, 9C1. Today's video basically will be me doing an oil change. I try and get the oil change about every 2,500 miles. I mean, it is over 250,000 miles on the motor now. I know some people out there are gonna be like, oh, that's excessive, blah, blah, blah. My car, my money, whatever. Anyway, here is the car. Beautiful as ever. Haven't got the hood job done yet. I just don't have time. When I do have time, I have to get my kids. It's just how it goes, It's just how it goes. Anyway, right now I'm trying to think about how I'm setting up the camera underneath the car so you guys can, be there with me. So, I'll, basically click back to y'all when I have it set up. All right, guys. I was bringing y'all basically what the concoction that's in this car that's kept it alive for so long. It's Valvoline Max Life High Mileage 10W40. I don't know why. That's just how he had it. That's just how I'm gonna leave it. Even when I turn this motor into a 383, that's the plan. I just want it to be a 383 stroker, no LS, no nothing like that. That'll be the plan then too. Same oil, same everything. I mean, why not, right? And so just 4 quarts of that 10W40 high mileage Valvoline, and then 1 quart of the Lucas oil stabilizer. That it does keep that engine alive. Y'all need to sponsor me, bro. Like, I know I don't have no subscribers yet, but hey. Also, the box got destroyed, but I got a can and oil filter. So it's supposed to be longer lasting. It doesn't matter, because like I said previously in the video, every 2,000 miles this oil will get changed. That's just how it is. Okay, so I think I pretty much got a decent setup right here. Yeah, I should be able to see. I'll make fun of my oil catch can and trash bag and all that. I'm just trying to stop the ground from being ruined, That's really it. I know I need a real oil catcher. I don't know what you call it. Right, there we go. Get this started. Probably get my other glove. Just a second, guys. I'm trying to start wearing gloves when I do this. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to start wearing gloves now. Do this car stuff so my hands aren't ruined for 2 weeks. There we go. Didn't catch a couple drops, but not the rest of it though, for the most part. Just filling up fast. That's just a gallon container, So obviously y'all can see it's a milk container, like a gallon container. Not even trying to be funny or nothing, just pointing out the obvious here. Go up top real quick. Okay. Just sat on the keys, or laid over on the keys by mistake and unlocked the car. Very easy, very smooth now. I like that. Barely tap the button and bloop, bloop. It's nice. I don't know if you ever watching these videos, Ray, but shout out to you, man. Give me a long hook back up. Alright. I'll probably fast forward through some of this because it'll just be pointless for y'all to actually sit here and watch it drip out. So yeah, but let's see. No, I don't think it looks that bad. No, that looks bad. Honestly, I kind of overlapped with my last oil change. It's supposed to be every 2,000 miles, but This one's probably running at about 3,500 miles. Probably, yeah, 3,500 miles maybe, since this has been changed last, which is okay. I mean, it is a non-C1 after all, so it should be fine, but I'm gonna start back doing it every 2,000 miles, like, for real. Like, this is like a serious thing. Like, I'm gonna write the thing and put on the windshield, like the real, like, you know, mechanics will do it too. Yeah, man. Probably come back to y'all when I'm tightening it up down here and lowering it. So I figured I might as well take the oil filter off on camera, because why not? That's a part of the oil change too, right? It's just about to come falling all out. I just know it. And I just drove the car from work, so it's a little hot. It's a little warm right now. Car ain't just sitting up all day. No. Yeah. Took my glove off, didn't put it back on. Now there's oil on my fingers. Naturally, right? All right, so I got the oil filter in there, K&N oil filter, and drain plug back in there. And not a drop of oil on the ground, really. See, that's how you do it. I know y'all are gonna watch this video, or people gonna come in and be like, what the hell? But hey, it's not a drop of oil on the ground. And that was in a plastic bag with nothing but a gallon container of milk that I just cut the top off of. Boom. You can, it's too easy, bro. It's too easy. So, yep. Now I'm finna go ahead and put the 4 quarts of oil in the Lucas. And then, you know, I'll be able to fire her up. So I'll get back to y'all when it's ready to start. Or her, when she's ready to start. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. All right, so I added the Lucas first. Well, the Lucas is done already. It's in that bag. Yeah, I did the Lucas first because it takes forever to suck it down. Like, but when it does, it does. Remnants. This dude, guys, this cam charger. Damn thing sounds nice. Yeah. Now I'll be adding the oil quart by quart. And I'm only doing this with one hand, so I have to get back to y'all when I'm done with it. I think that, oh shit. Whoa. Okay. I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Like, you know, y'all saw the oil change, whatever. I'll wrap it up here. Until next time.